When my chest is tight, when the words fall short, I breathe your name till the night grows light. Eyes so heavy, but sleep won't stay. Heart so crowded with the weight of the day. Every door I push feels locked to me. Every plan I draw falls into the sea. Hasbi Allah, you are enough for this tired soul. Hasbi Allah, you hold the pieces I can't hold. When I can't stand, when I just fall, you are enough. Hasbi Allah. Hands hang empty, but you still give. One small heartbeat is the proof I live. Every silent tear that I hide away, you are close to it, closer than my veins. If the world turns cold and the path feels long, I will sit in the dust and remember your song. Every breath I take is a call to you. Every breath you give is an answer to Hasbi Allah, you are enough for this tired soul. Hasbi Allah, you hold the pieces I can't hold. When I can't stand, when I just fall, you are enough. Hasbi Allah.